How to customize the size and color of mouse pointer in Android. Now in order to do that, just simply open your settings app and scroll down until you find the option of general management. After finding general management, tap to it and select mouse and trackpad from here. Now after going in this section, you will get this option of pointer size and color directly. Tap into that. Now you can select pointer size from this upper section. You can set all the way from small to large right here. Just simply set how big you want your pointer size to be. If you set it right here, it will be this big. If you set it right here, it will be a little too big. Now if you set up to all the way to large, it will be this big. Then after selecting the pointer size, you can select the pointer color from black, white, green, yellow and some more option. Simply select it also as according to your need. So this is how you can customize your pointer size and color in Android. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.